Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you this new product I received. Like you can see, it's like a cable tray, okay? And here it's like, let's say like a table to put the cables or also the ones that connect to the light, okay? It's black and it is very big. It has a good space to put the products you want here. And it also has these circles in this part to pass the cable. So this product, I was seeing that you can like install from two ways. The first one, it's screwing, and the second one, it's pasting these double tapes or double face tapes. Here in this part, you paste one and then you put it in down the table, okay? So I'm going to be pasting it, and I hope you like it. And really, it's too big, the space, so I think it will function perfectly. And well, let me show you. Okay guys, I'm going to be pasting the double tapes here in this part. So we're taking the first tape off, and I paste it here. Then, well, I'm just going to take a little part. Okay, like that. And then I'm going to paste this one. And what I like is that it came two more bigs and two smalls. So I think it's perfect. That way you can maybe like change it. Okay, let me paste the second one, that it will go there, okay? And then I'm going to put it down the table. Okay guys, I'm going to place it in this part of the table. Like you can see, I have here a lot of cables, and also I have always here my computer, so I think it will function very well. Okay, I have it like this, and let me move this thing from here, and to just put it like here, and then paste it, okay? And that's it. Okay, now if we look down the table, the product, it looks like that. And here in this part, you can see that it's pasted the product, okay? So I'm going to be putting these cables there, and I'm going to show you. Okay guys, now like you can see, it's here already, the product. I'm going to put down the table because I want to show you how we can use this product, okay? I passed this cable from the circle that I was telling you here, and I think it looks like better. And like you can see here, I haven't passed it, but I'm going to do it, okay? So, okay guys, I already passed the cable here from this part in the circle, and the product, it's already like, it don't be falling. And I also have here this cable that I will pass it also from here, okay, there, and that is how it looks. Now the last cable, it's this one that it's from my computer. Then I pass it through this circle and I put it down, and it's here. This is how it looks, and I think it will look better and more clean my desk. So I hope you like it. Really, this product, it's incredible, and it helps a lot to keep your desk clean, because it has all the cables here down, and whenever you need, you just move the, well, for example, I'm going to paste this table to the wall because it will look perfect like that. And like you can see, the cables are all down, but nobody's gonna know that, okay? So I hope you like it.